Hello, this is FTC Team 16072, the Quantum Quacks, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use FTC 8397's Robot Simulator via Android Studio. So there are 5 steps to this process. So 1 is to install Android Studio. 2 is to install a Java 8 JDK via Amazon Web Services. 3 is to install the robot simulator via GitHub, and I'll be putting all of these links in the description. So step 4, you need to extract the JDK and the robot simulator because they're zipped. And in step 5, you're going to import the robot simulator into Android Studio so you can use it. So you use the robot simulator to test out some of your autonomous programs, and so you can get a small overview of what it would look like in real life. So let's get started. So first, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Android Studio. So you need to click on Download Android Studio so you can make your changes to the code in that. So I already have Android Studio, so I'm going to be continuing in step 2. So now you need to go to Amazon Web Services and you need to download your Java JDK. So it needs to be Java 8. So you can either download the x64 or x86 version. x64 is for 64-bit and x86 is for 32-bit. So because I have a 64-bit Windows, I'm going to be downloading the 64-bit Windows zip. So I'm just gonna go to Windows and JDK and download the zip file. Of course, you're going to have to download whichever JDK matches with your operating system. So after the file downloads, we're gonna need to go to the GitHub. So in the GitHub, this is where the robot simulator is. So what I'm going to need to do in the GitHub is I need to click on download code and I need to click on download zip. So the zip file and the JDK are now downloaded. So because they're zipped, I need to extract them so they become unzipped. Otherwise Android Studio won't be able to see them. So I click on extract, I right click on Amazon Credo and then click extract. So once it finishes, I'm going to go back into my downloads folder, and then I'm going to delete the zipped file because I don't need it anymore. So now I'm going to right click on the robot master and I'll extract that too. So once the robot master is done extracting, I'm going to go back and I can delete the zipped version because I don't need it anymore. So just click on delete. So now that you have both of your unzipped files, we're going to close down File Explorer. And remember that they're in your downloads folder because that's where they're going to be when we're going to try to import them into Android Studio. So we can just minimize File Explorer, and now we can open Android Studio. So you can click on Start a New Project, and then click on No Activity. You can click on Next, and then you can change the name, and make sure that the language is Java and not Kotlin. So you can just wait for the project to load. And then you can just close the tip of the day. So what we're going to need to do next is we need to click on File, and then we need to click Open. So now we need to go into the Downloads folder, and we need to click on Robot Master, the one that's inside the main Robot Master, and then open it. Go to File and click on Project Structure. Make sure you change it to Java 1.8 for the SDK. So after that, we can click Run, and if you get this dialog box, you can just click Stop and Rerun. So it should run, and then this simulator should show up. So with this, I can test out some autonomous code. I can see what my robot would look like, just a simulation of it. This would be always be a good place to start. So I made it the arm bot because we're running the arm bot demo. So I can make the arm move up and down, and I can make the robot move by using the other joystick. So you can just play with that, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more quacktastic content. Thank you.